Today, I'm answering some of your questions and I'm giving this away. So be sure to stick till the end of the video to find out how you can enter. So ever since I've been uploading regularly this year, a lot of you have been messaging me in Instagram, asking about what I do, what pencil I use, what drawing tablet I use. So I decided to take a Q&A poll on my Instagram page. Through that, I got a lot of questions from you guys, of which some of them I'm going to answer today. So let's begin. So the first question. How do you get freelance work as an artist? Before getting into freelance, I would first advise you to get some experience in any company. A lot of companies hire you as an intern or an apprentice without you having any experience. The reason I say so is by getting experience in an industry, you would essentially have the knowledge and understanding of what it takes to be an industry professional and what is the industry standard. Understanding that is key, not only to improve your skill, but also advancing your career. So before getting into freelance, I would advise to first get experience in the industry you want to be in, build a strong portfolio, and with that work, once you start posting online, people will see the quality of work you provide and will automatically start contacting you. And of course, make full use of social media, upload your artwork regularly, and try and understand what works best with your audience. So the key to get work as an artist is to have a strong enough portfolio that matches the industry standard you want to be in. The next question, are you a digital artist by profession? Yes, I am. I run my own digital agency and we give our design services to our clients. And of late, since I've been uploading regularly on YouTube, a lot of them have been contacting me to draw characters, do them a painting. So I've been taking commissions on that. So pretty recently, not only as a digital artist, I'm also a professional artist. What do you prefer? Traditional art or digital art? It's not a choice of preference, but I always choose a medium that would give me the best results. But if I had to choose one, I always taught any of my work with a simple pencil and paper. The advantage of digital art is you have unlimited supply of colors compared to traditional art. So if I'm doing a color study or trying to figure out the color combinations in my artwork, I usually go ahead with digital art because not only it's completely free to use any colors, you have so much flexibility on working with different kind of medium, may it be a pencil color texture, oil painting. So for doing color studies, I would prefer digital art. Is 12 enough colors to make big scenes? Pretty recently, I made a video of using limited color palette. I'm a big fan of that. I usually don't go more than 6 colors for any type of work I do. The reason being, if I use a limited palette, the color combinations that I'm going to work with will be extremely compatible and the overall painting will look extremely pleasing. Let me take these 3 images as examples. In these 3 images, you can see the color of a tree is not always brown. Similarly, colors are used to guide your eye to the subject. These 3 images are background designs from the cartoon series Rick and Morty. These images are brilliant examples of how colors are used in an image, and try to understand the psychology of colors and learn the color theory. By doing this, you'll be able to create stunning images with stunning colors that you can proudly say it's up to the industry standard. So if you're a beginner artist, I would advise limiting your color palette, and as you advance in your career, you would understand what colors work with what, and by that time you'd be able to choose any color you want to use. When you're doing a portrait heading, what's the best way to master? Riley's method or planes? I personally prefer the Loomis method. Proco has a lot of videos explaining how you can use his method. I personally feel Riley's method is too complicated and so are the planes. So this doesn't give me any room for me to use any artistic license in my drawings. So the Loomis method gives me a base structure of how to bring about the likeness of a painting. From there, I try to work with expressions and try to make my artwork or a painting interact with the audience. For me, conveying the mood or the emotion of a painting or an artwork is as important as the likeness. And I personally feel Riley's method doesn't give me that freedom, and each method works differently for everyone. Try all of the methods, figure out which works best for you, and see which method gives the right expression you're looking for. What drawing tablet do you use? I don't use anything fancy. The one I use is this one. Since most of my drawings I begin with pencil and paper, I really didn't need a display tablet, and I've been using this for so many years and it works perfectly for me. So I have continued using this. Using this tablet, I've done so many color studies for my paintings, drawings, animations, and I did all of those using this. I personally feel this is a very underrated and an excellent tablet to use. And in my Instagram messages, so many of you have asked what drawing tablet to use, what's the best one to buy. I went ahead and bought one of this for you guys. To win this drawing tablet, all you have to do is be a subscriber, like this video, and comment below your Instagram handle so that I can see what kind of art you do, so that I can give this to the right person. And if you have the time and you don't need this, check out my Instagram post and tag 2 people who might need this. I hope me answering some of these questions helped you a lot. And if you have any questions, you can always message me on my Instagram. I'm pretty active and try to reply most of your text messages. And as always, thank you for watching this video. And I'm excited to see who's gonna win this. See you in the next video.